अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ अली अली
और मैं हूँ आहिल अली।
और आप लोग देख रहे हैं पोस्ट कार्ड फ्रॉम अमेरिका। दुनिया भर में मुसलमान ईद उल अज़हा की तैयारियों में मसरूफ़ हैं। हज और कुर्बानी के साथ साथ अराफा भी सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है ईद पर। यकीनन आप लोग भी अभी बहुत ही मसरूफ़ होंगे सबकी तैयारियों में।
अमेरिका में 3,000 से ज़्यादा मसाजिद हैं और यहाँ ह्यूस्टन में भी 200 से ज़्यादा हैं। इसलिए हम लोग आज मस्जिद साबरीन में मौजूद हैं, जहाँ हम अराफा के दिन के बारे में और मस्जिद की एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में कुछ सीखेंगे।
Masjid al-Sabrin actively engages in various community outreach programs such as volunteering, sports and facilities like the basketball court outside, and ISGH membership. Moreover, it includes food drives, educational workshops such as Quran program, Everest Academy, and Weekend Islamic School.
यहाँ मैं कुछ सवाल पूछने के लिए मस्जिद साबरीन के इमाम साहब के साथ आया हूँ। So I would like to ask you, what is the importance of the day of Arafah and how should we as Muslims act upon it?
Well, that's a pretty long question because Arafah is one of the most important days. The Prophet ﷺ said in a hadith that whoever fasts on the day of Arafah, it's an expiation of the previous year and the coming year as well. Uske alawa jo hai, Arafah is a very important and a significant part of Hajj. Without Arafah, Hajj is incomplete. The Prophet ﷺ said, Al-Hajj Arafah. Arafah on the mountain of mercy, on Jabal Rahmah, on the grounds of Arafah is where the Prophet ﷺ stood and he gave Hajjatul Wida. And the beautiful verses of the Quran will reveal, Al-Yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum, that today I have completed my deen and I have completed my favors and chose Islam as a religion for you. Apart from this, there are so many virtues when it comes to forgiveness of sin, how many slaves Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala frees from the fire of hell, and the takbir and giving charity. So alhamdulillah, Allah Azza wa Jal has given us the opportunity to witness Arafah. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept the fasting of Muslims all over the world, and especially those who have gone for Hajj and all of the ibadah for Muslims wherever they are.
I see. I would also like to ask you, how do masajid in America, for the youth, how do they engage them throughout these community events?
Alhamdulillah, most of our engagement when it comes to youth, we try to, first and foremost, we try to be as active as possible on social media, because we know all of the youth and young youngsters, they're all on social media. So we are probably more active. All of our events, we have a whole committee and team of youngsters who are in their high school, college careers, and mashallah, they're committed and they're devoted to them. So they run our channels. They post it on stories and snaps and wherever, mashallah, and they're doing an amazing job. And alhamdulillah, every week we have at least 2 to 3 youth halaqas, youth programs, especially geared towards youth and young professionals as well, so that we can talk about real issues in the community and real issues that our youngsters are facing each and every day in their lives living in the United States of America. So it's a huge task and it's not something that's easy, but alhamdulillah, we are hopeful and we're praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that inshallah the future is good and certain.
Forgive them, O Allah, Ya Allah, forgive them and shower your rahmah and mercy upon them, just as they showered rahmah and mercy upon us when we were young, O Allah.
So as a woman, how do you feel coming to the masjid and then have you ever volunteered over here?
So I won't say regular, but I'm a volunteer for the masjid. This is my first masjid in Texas. We moved from North Carolina. My kids connect with the imam over here to the limit that, if they have any concerns, any issues, I have a 14 and an 11-year-old. So anything they have a question or anything, they come and talk to Imam Taqir. So I love this masjid.
Other than that, over here, I've always known masjids for probably just Quran or, prayers. But over here, I found out when I shifted here, I found out that over here in masjid, there's not only just Quran or prayers. It's mostly different activities every Friday. So do you know any activities which take place every Friday?
Yeah, so our masjid is like a community center for our community. As I was saying, that my kids love coming to the program that the masjid. We had a bonfire a couple of weeks ago. So there are things that kids enjoy doing it here, including we have an alternative to Halloween. We do it here on the 31st of October every year. The good thing is that kids want to come here. It's not like we are pushing our kids to come to the masjid. The community and the programs that we have here, they enjoy. So that's how it is at Brandon.
Mr. Tai is a Christian who travels around to observe different beliefs, and today he is here at Masjid al-Sabreen to observe the day of Arafah within the Muslim community.
It was really interesting. You know, I come from a Southern Baptist background and I converted to Orthodox Christianity. Walking in, it actually felt like a Protestant church because I'm used to icons and seeing, you know, Mary and Jesus. But then the way y'all pray sounds a lot like my Orthodox tradition, right? And it's a good reminder that, you know, there's so like our Abrahamic roots, you know, are somewhat the same, right? And it was really nice of being welcomed, you know, by y'all's community, and I just feel like there needs to be more awareness of, you know, I feel like y'all are the most misunderstood people in the country and the world right now, and it's just great seeing the real deal, you know.
Ya Allah, accept everything that was said. Forgive us for our shortcomings and our weaknesses, Ya Allah.
इमाम साहब ने बहुत ही शानदार दुआ कराई, जिसके बाद सब ने मिलकर रोज़ा खोला और सब ने मिलकर नमाज़ पढ़ी, और अब जाके दर से लोग निकल रहे हैं एक बहुत ही शानदार खाना खाने के बाद।
तो ये थी हमारी आज की एक्टिविटीज। मेक श्योर टू गिव दिस वीडियो बिग थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब टू तार मीडिया एंड फॉलो ऑल आवर सोशल मीडियाज लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। अब अगले हफ्ते मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।